we basically have a magic faucet. We actually have our toilet seat plugged in. Hey Alexa, ask Kohler to start car wash. Hello, welcome to our home. We've been talking about getting in this home for a very long time. We never thought that the minute that we moved in, that we'd actually have to stay here in our home.
We're so lucky though to be here.
We're so lucky because our last house was not ideal for making videos with you guys or for just sitting in it for days and days on end. Welcome to today's video. We're gonna show you a little bit about what the kids have been doing while we've been here. And since we're here at the house and safe and stuck at home, we wanna show you some of our favorite features that are actually pretty cool. We partnered with Kohler for the house and we have some pretty awesome things. For example, hey Alexa, ask Kohler to pour 2 cups of water.
Okay, here's Kohler to me.
It's so cool.
2 cups. We are at home, it's a weekday and the kids are doing homework. I wanna show you kind of where they do their homework and what they do. We're using a different camera. Can you tell that we're using a different camera? This is the one that we always use. This is our new one. Right here is our new one. Do you like the audio in this one or the video in this one? Or do you like the audio and video in this one? Well, let me know, but for this video, we're going with an experiment and we're gonna do this guy right here. So, kids, let's go find the kids. There she is. There's London, doing her class. Hi, London. Hi. So there's London. She does her meetings with her class on Zoom once a day and they meet there. I mean, she does more homework inside the house, but she loves going on the trampoline and doing her Zoom classes with them. She's so cute. Hi, Claire.
Hi.
What are you working on?
I'm working on homework.
What kind of homework? Are you really working on homework or are you watching what's inside YouTube videos?
Doing homework.
Okay, you better be. Lincoln's usually in the studio doing his computer work or he's in his bedroom doing his homework, so let's go check on Lincoln. Wait, what are you doing, Lincoln? This doesn't look like homework.
No, I finished.
What do you mean?
Finished my homework.
So now you're just golfing in your bedroom?
Yeah.
All of
This
your,
thing's so cool.
everything's done, all of your homework.
Yep, all my homework. It's really easy. This online school stuff.
Did you know that it's like 75 degrees outside today and you're wearing a snow hat and golfing inside? Let's see it. All right, so apparently Lincoln is done with his homework, so what does he do? He practices his putting. Let's talk about the kitchen and the faucets and the toilets. We have a few things that actually can help us in a way stay a little bit safer in our home, especially considering what's going on in today's world with a pandemic in the country. Faucets, Leslie.
Yes.
We're gonna talk about faucets here, and they're pretty exciting, right?
They actually really are. So we have 2 different faucets from Kohler. The first one is called the Sensate touchless kitchen faucet. And what I love about this one is it actually is ombre and it's rose gold on the bottom and then it turns to nickel, and I've never seen anything like it. It's so beautiful.
What's ombre?
Ombre is like, think about like different colors, how it blends. It's not like a hard line.
Oh, that's the name with the colors. Because I have noticed that it has like, is it rose gold?
Rose gold.
And then it turns into, okay, nickel. Yeah, I've noticed that, it's beautiful. I didn't know it's called ombre.
Yeah,
Okay.
super fancy. And then we also have this one over here, and both of them are intelligent and touchless. So you saw that in our other kitchen reveal video. People love the look of this one. This one's called the Artifacts Touchless. And
I love that. So basically, you don't have to touch it. Or say you've got like, I don't know, something in your hand and your hands are full, and you could just be like, oh, just put it in the way, just put it in that little area, and the sensor senses it. Is that why it's called Sensate?
probably.
It's an easy switch for people inside of their kitchens that they can actually go and buy one of these and actually swap it out. One of the benefits of it being touchless, obviously, is that the handles on faucets is a place where a lot of germs like to hide on most faucets. It's nice to be able to just use your hand. Or, Alexa, ask Kohler to dispense 1 cup of water.
Dispensing 1 cup.
1 cup of water. Boom. Didn't even touch it. This is magic. But my favorite thing, Alexa, ask Kohler to start macaroni. Here we go.
Perfect. It actually is perfect.
It is perfect. Check this out. Macaroni water is perfectly near the top on this. I wouldn't have thought it's that much, even though I am a connoisseur.
Yeah, I would.
That was kind of a lot.
That's-
I never thought that I would be so excited about a faucet in a kitchen, but it's incredibly smart. Alexa, ask Kohler to find out what my water usage is.
Your daily water use average is 1 gallons. Today you've used 2 gallons.
Ooh, my daily average is 1 gallon. I've used 2 gallons. How happy on a scale of 1 to 10 are you with the faucets?
A 10 for sure.
How many times are you gonna use the macaroni and cheese function?
I don't really like making it. Like, but I have to say that since we've been in quarantine, that's all the kids want to eat every day.
Yeah,
like for
'cause it's
lunchtime.
good.
I know.
So we've got the Sensate faucet in here, the Artifacts faucet in here. Both of them are smart, both of them are intelligent, and both of them are touchless. Thank you, Kohler, for putting this in our house. I really, really like it. On to the next super cool thing in our house. With all that's going on in the world right now, yes, a touchless faucet is really cool, but another thing that surprisingly has helped out so much is our toilets. We put in 2 very, 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 very smart toilets. So smart that they even have their own controller that has all kinds of options on here. We have 2 smart toilets in our house. When I say smart, I mean like the smartest of toilets. But when you walk up to it, it automatically opens. We have been using way less toilet paper. Like I would say 90% less toilet paper is used because we have the bidet inside of here. It's a very common thing to have in Japan. You saw us feature this toilet in our CES video 2 years ago. So when we built our house, I had to have one, but not just one, but we have 2. One in the master, one in the studio. This toilet is so cool that the water basin is inside of the wall. We are gonna focus on these toilets so much more in a dedicated video on the main channel, so stay tuned for that. But in the rest of our house, we don't have bidets in there, but we did a nice simple thing that a lot of you guys could do that involves the toilet seat. Let me show you. Leslie, show them what we've done with our other bathroom toilets.
Okay, so all of our bathrooms have the Pure Warmth heated toilet seat by Kohler. It might seem like a silly thing, but my sister from Alaska came down. The second she went to the bathroom, she came out and she was like, oh my gosh, that is so fancy.
Who else has sat on our toilet and liked it?
All
Who's
our
sat on the toilets and they like our toilets?
They're really nice.
This toilet does not have a full bidet, but you can connect this toilet seat to the app and you can have 3 different levels of heating. And there's a night light built into it and you can control when you want it to come on, when you want the heat to go on, or if you just want it to be on all the time at full blast, you can control that. We actually have our toilet seat plugged in. There you go, Pure Warmth toilet seats. You're gonna sit down and it's gonna feel good on your bum. And now on to the most magnificent room in our house.
It's so ridiculous.
This room is incredible.
I come in to tell anybody, I like prep them, I'm like, just get ready, it's a bit over the top.
This room stole the show
Yes,
in the home show.
100%.
People loved it, loved it, loved it. Let's talk about a few things. First of all, one of Leslie's favorite places is the bathtub. You love the bathtub.
I do.
This is also another Kohler bathtub. It's like a freestanding tub. We put a chandelier in after we got certificate of occupancy because it turns out it's against the code to have a chandelier directly above the bathtub.
So this is Kohler's Syrup freestanding bathtub.
Oh, you're getting in.
I'm getting in, exactly.
Hey.
Rain is in the middle, which is kind of fancy. See how it does that?
Oh, so you step on it and that opens it and shuts
Yeah,
it?
this one's huge, and it like is a good fit for me. And I'm the only one that takes baths in our house. After you're done taking a bath and you have bubbles, it gets kind of dirty. You can just like spray it down, wash it out, and it's perfect. It's just beautiful. I love it so much.
How many times have you used it since we've been quarantined?
I use it probably every night.
Yeah,
so
this is true.
We're on day like, what, 13 or 14? It's a long time.
It's been a long time.
I got cabin fever!
I like mine blazing hot. Look at that. Like that's some good flow right there.
The bathtub is nice and all. I'm not gonna ever take a bath in that bathtub. Like seriously, never. Mark my words, I'm never taking a bath in there. But my favorite feature is this shower. It's called DTV Shower. And Kohler, when they told us they wanted to give us this DTV shower, I was like, sure, nice shower, that sounds nice. Well, it doesn't just have 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 shower head. It's like 4 is already a lot. But it's got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the massive one up here, which makes it 11 with the rain shower. 11 nozzles inside of our shower. This is the ultimate party shower, which is not what we use it for. We don't have a family party in here. This is just our amazing shower. This, I would imagine, is one of the smartest showers around. It actually has a touchscreen. So I can control every single nozzle from the touchscreen. There's actually a computer upstairs that's connected to this that comes with it. It's connected to Wi-Fi. It has all these different users that you can program in. Right now we only have 3 users that are programmed to this. Dan, Leslie, and what's the last one, Leslie?
I don't know. I was wondering who the third one is.
The third one, hey Alexa, ask Kohler to start car wash.
Oh.
Turning on car wash.
Oh, it turned on the car wash. Every single nozzle. We've got a rain shower. We've got this one. We've got that one and all of those. This is the car wash. So I figure you could just go right through it really quick and then run through like a car wash and you're done. If you want to stop it, you can go onto the touch screen and just push stop. And yeah, just turn it on. There it goes. Listen to those raindrops. That rain that you saw coming from the top of the shower is actually called Kohler's Real Rain system. And it is the most true of a rain shower that you can find. And it's so unique and so interesting the way that we had to build this thing. Gravity is pushing it out. Lincoln and I made an entire video taking apart the Real Rain shower part of it, just that part of it, and showing you how it works because it is fascinating. So you can go to the main channel and check that out now. This is the most amazing thing, and I can't believe we have it in our house. So Kohler, seriously, thank you for sending us this and putting it in our house. It was a hit during the home show. Did you ever think that you would learn so much about faucets and showers and toilets and that they could be smart? I never thought that I would make a YouTube video on these items, but here we are, and it is actually amazing and incredible. So for now, back to our regular quarantine life. Back at the house, I see London out there jumping on the trampoline, and she must be at recess right now from school. Let's go join her on the trampoline. Thanks for watching. Are you figuring it out? Are you helping her?
He's giving me money.
Wait, he's giving you money? You're gonna sit down and it's gonna feel good on your bum